Dill. So here's our dill. Make sure it's vibrant green and smells fresh. And for herbs, you really want to pay attention to smell and color. If it's pale green, it indicates it's turning and has lost its flavor. Now you can remove the leaves by simply picking them off, or you can drag your fingers upwards from the stem to remove the leaves in one go. And we don't want to use the stems, only the leaves. These are perfect for garnishing. Or we can bundle them up and chop like so. Great for adding to egg salads, pickling, cold sauces, salads, and much more. And there is our finely chopped dill.